In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Dolphin Emulator Msvcp140.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing we have to do is to check our system type. So simply go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then simply open a browser. Double click on that or simply open a browser and then search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit enter. Click on it on the first option from learn@microsoft.com. Scroll down and simply click the download link corresponding to your system type and then click on the folder icon. Double click on it. Simply click on agree to the license terms and conditions and click on install. But if you have already installed it into your Windows, just like my case, just simply click on repair and then close this. Now, once done, just right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next thing is you also need to make sure your Windows is up to date. So for that, click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here. This will check for and download or install all the updates that comes with the necessary files that your machine needs in order to fix the issue. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.